God is saying to you today, you need to get ready. Where you are is not permanent. I have blessing, healing, and change coming your way. I know you feel overwhelmed, but know this evening I have your back. I am going to send you a blessing to remind you that I am always in your corner. Stop asking everything else's opinion. Ask me what I think. You are going to laugh again. You are going to trust again. And you are going to love again. I am going to restore everything you've lost. Type yes if you believe.